Okay, never mind then.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Technique in 3. Just ignored me again.
Gripping to the right of purple.
You have to move to your left, Ost.
Yep.
Gripping in 3, 2, 1. Gripping now. Roots. Into Frost Nova. Second Frost Nova.
Coming up.
Into Liam knockback if you can. I'm gonna slow them with D&D. No, not yet.
Technique in 3.
Grab that one and no, Bazinga.
First soak group.
Bring a piece.
Give me Iron Bark now, Shadow.
Go down.
Fuck, give me Sacrifice Law. Okay, that did not work.
Second soak group.
Frost Novas.
Coming.
Fires.
Dukas knockback.
Flares.
Into Frost Novas.
Yep.
No, you should come soon.
Grip that in Bazinga.
After I go
Knock
rid
back,
of
Clean.
these, I can Nova as well.
Into Frost Nova.
Technique in 3.
Bring a piece. Stun that out of
First
the way.
soak group.
Ring.
Gripping the add-in.
Blaze coming up.
Technique in 3.
First soak group.
Not gripping purple.
You have no high energy, guys.
Means we have to do a double stack.
Yeah.
Do not be on the portal, please.
Gripping in 3, 2, 1. Gripping now. Roots. Frost and add
Click the portal now.
Frost Nova.
Or
Safe,
sacrifice,
it's safe.
if it's okay for you.
We're too close to the ads, we need to move out.
No, it's fine.
Barely, okay.
Grip.
That's
the-
just
once that's done.
We top things.
Palas?
Yeah,
So
get
we
it.
can
Bloodless
do,
now?
yeah, I don't know how. Just let these two reach her.
Yeah,
Ringing.
yeah.
I can follow up with the ring after.
Technique in 3.
What it was.
Lucas
First soak
knockback.
group.
Into Liam knockback. We're gonna let that one at 95 explode, okay? Frost Nova.
Yeah, double stack again.
Dispel me.
Second soak
Spell
group
me.
use personals. Okay, we're going to have
Flares.
flares
Flare.
incoming. Go behind the ads fast.
Shadow knockback.
Can't
I
be
can't
No,
run.
you can't, you can't. Okay.
I can ring into, should I?
Yeah, ring. I'm gonna grip. 2, 1, gripping now.
Ringing.
Into.
Blazes.
Mine's available if you need it.
Yeah, use your knockback.
Technique in 3.
Frost Novas.
I have in 4 seconds.
Okay.
I will
No,
do it.
but
First group.
First soak group.
Shit, that's close. Was it?
Ring a piece.
Yeah.
I don't have it.
Okay,
I
that's
have
fine.
needs
I have ring of first.
Instant dispel on Bazinga here.
Dispel me now.
Second soak group.
Gripping the high.
Flares
Aggramar
behind the ads,
Back
behind the ads,
behind.
behind the ads.
You have to solo tank for Bedast.
Yep, that's fine.
Standing on the ads.
Lord sacrifice again.
I can knock back.
Your grip's ready, Bazinga, yeah?
Yes.
Good. Liam
Ring.
knockback. Sorry, that ring.
Spread out with the blazes, please.
Just ignore the ads now. Or?
Grip
Just
that
staying
ad.
away from you a little bit, Bazinga.
Technique in 3.
Lucas knockback.
First group.
Frost Novas.
Let it happen.
Just let me
Ringing
tank.
We
now.
have a really dodgy.
Dispel
Come
me.
on, boys.
We're gonna get
Nicely
to
done.
Nice.
Oh, it's dead.
Oh, good job.
Yes!
Has long now.
Oh, nice. I got Tasha lag.
Oh, look, taste slash.
By the way,
You smack.
by the
Let's
way,
roll as well and get some loot.
Banana, banana and Grosko in my
And a 985
ignore
Titan Forge thing. Yeah, easy game.
Learn to
Especially
fucking heal
fucking
instead. Shit.
Grosko.